earn credits when users sign up with your referral code. You can use your credit to pay your Curi subscription or withdraw to your bank account. The total credits earned is determined by the total cost of the user licenses minus your discount. On the login screen, click on the store name at the top right of the screen. Scroll down and click on Referral Program. This is where you will see your total credits earned. To enter your referral code or change it, click on the Referral Code button and enter your referral code. Keep in mind that this code will be what you share with individuals, so you will want to keep it simple, easy to remember with no spacing. Once you have entered your code, click on the blue check code button to confirm availability. If the code is unavailable, enter a new code and confirm again. Once validated, click on the Update Code button. To remove or change your code, click on the X and repeat the entry process. Remember, only one code is validated for your account. If you share your referral code and change your code after sharing, the initial code shared will become invalid. To view your referral history, click on Referral History. This will display the transaction of the last 7 days. The number of transactions and the total commissions for the period will be displayed at the top of the screen. You can change the date by clicking on the Date button. Click on Bank Information to enter your bank account information. Once you have requested a withdrawal credits, this will go directly to the information provided in this section. For more information on your Curi experience, visit our website at curi.lc or stay tuned for more instructional videos.